It's day 41, squat every day. I'm just gonna do something with the empty bar. It's 8 Fahrenheit, negative 16 Celsius. The snow started a few hours ago, and we're looking at getting, oh boy, 30 inches, 0.75 meters in the next 24 hours to 30 hours or so. So, light day and shoveling, followed by probably light day and shoveling, and possibly a third light day and shoveling. Alright, let's see. Back squat, overhead squat, super light Zercher. This seems like the setup for super light Zercher. Alright, the streak's alive. I just blew a heck of a lot of snot due to the cold into this gator. Nasty. See you guys tomorrow.